And we don't get hazard pay. I was thinking about this today. We had to do anything that was remote. Whoa! Right here. Whoa! Woo! Bam! That was right there! So I was telling you about hazard pay. And it's not in the description. Wow! Kaboom! Saying there's a chance. Every time that a lightning strike gets that close, your line recedes just a little more. I'm wide awake now. I was yawning back there. Oh, frickin' boom. That was a smasher. Look at that guy shaking his head. He's like, get me out of here.
Yeah.
Oh! Hold the wheel.
It must be on the other side of this building. Oh, hold on.
Oh, dear Jesus. Oh, this is gonna be bad.